Equity benchmark indices, the Sensex and the Nifty surged 2.5% on Tuesday after India and the United States reached a trade agreement under which Washington will bring down reciprocal tariffs on Indian goods to 18%. Market sentiment was further boosted by a sharp recovery in the rupee, which appreciated over 1 rupee 25 paise against the US dollar.
Honorable Prime Minister also announced the deal with European Union, which was shown as the mother of all deals. But the US deal is pretty much the most important deal in my opinion, because it's the largest economy in the world. It is also very import dependent, and we have a need to export goods and services because of our manpower. We need to give them employment, and we are complementary countries in a way. We are both democracies. We both work by rule of law.
The 30-share BSE Sensex jumped 2,072 points to settle at 83,739, while the 50-share NSE Nifty surged 639 points to close at 25,727. From the Sensex pack, Adani Ports, Bajaj Finance, Indigo, Power Grid Corporation and Sun Pharma were the top gainers, whereas Tech Mahindra and Bharat Electronics Limited were the only losers.
The US-India trade deal is yet the final contours are yet to be disclosed, but this definitely gives us opens up a lot of segments for a preferential treatment, which are possibly being discussed. But the immediate tariff cut definitely pushes up the markets and changes the sentiment on the market, with 25,000 and 25,150 on Nifty being the immediate support level. So the structure on the markets from a bearish has now turned to a positive structure.
On the sectoral front, indices across the board witnessed heavy buying, led by realty, power, capital goods, auto, metals, financial services, healthcare, consumer durables and banking counters, posting gains of 2 to 4%. The trade deal announcement also propelled a sharp rally in textile, leather, gems and jewelry, seafood exports and specialty chemical stocks.
Pharmaceutical, gems and jewelry, textiles, leather, footwear, electronics, engineering goods. There'll be different impact on different sectors. There are a lot of export-oriented companies which are listed in the market. So I think we should allow things to settle down and let the markets get closer to its fundamentals. Let the reality of the deal absorb into the market. Let the fine print be properly read, understood. I think then one should form a trend and then one should take a view. But overall, yes, an extremely positive news, the kind of trigger that market was waiting for a very long time.
In Asian markets, South Korea's Kospi rebounded sharply and jumped nearly 7%. Other Asian markets, including Japan's Nikkei, China's Shanghai Composite and Hong Kong's Seng, also closed in the green zone. Markets in Europe were trading in positive territory on Tuesday. Wall Street settled higher on Monday. Foreign institutional investors were net sellers on Monday as they offloaded equities worth over 1,832 crore rupees.